Good morning, students. Today I came here with another video on HTML, but this time I would like to give you a brief introduction about this language. In order to proceed further, I would like to show you some website. Like this is a website of Wikipedia, which is an encyclopedia of all the electronic documents, and all the contents can be seen over here, where you can read about some particular topic. This is a well familiar website or a web page of a search engine, Google, where you can do a text-based search or a voice-based search of any topic that you need to find out. This is an ICC cricket website where you can see different type of pictures in the form of thumbnails and along with content. And the last one that I want to show you is a very popular website, that is YouTube, where oftenly all of you are accessing this website every now and then through a browser or a YouTube app. And here, when you hover your mouse, this is called a thumbnail, which shows the preview of the content, what is that video is all about, and a brief trailer or the highlight of the video is shown over here. So isn't it interesting? So all these website base is a language which allows you to develop all these web pages. So HTML is one such type of language through which we can create a web page. So without wasting our time, now I'll give you a brief introduction about HTML. Well, HTML, as you know, stands for Hypertext Markup Language. That means in a web page, when you place your mouse cursor, that particular text or the content on which you place your mouse cursor redirects to another web page. So it is creating a hyperlink. That text is hypertext or highlighted, and which allows you to move to our next page. Let me show you how. So let's say this is a Google web page, and when you place your mouse cursor, our triangular pointed cursor that you are seeing, which is also known as pointer over here, when you place your mouse cursor on the highlighted text, the highlighted text are shown in blue text, and also at the top, when you place your mouse cursor over here, you will notice this mouse pointer changes to a index finger with a thumb, a hand, which allows you to click and which allows you to move to a next page. If you want to check the web address, look at the bottom over here when I'm placing my mouse cursor over here. Now check the bottom left corner, it says https://mail.google.com. That means this particular web page, when clicked on Gmail text, it allows you to move to the web page of Gmail. What is Gmail? Gmail is an electronic mail which allows you to send mail messages. So a hypertext markup language highlighted the text, and it creates a link between two web pages. Now let me move back to the slide where I have shown you. So hypertext markup language is a type of text language which controls how the web page or the electronic document is displayed in a web page. It allows you to control your images, content, your videos, and the audio file, how and where it is placed, and how can you control those hypertext content and the links that you have created in a web page. So this language was first proposed by Tim Berners-Lee in 1990. Initially the name was Enquire, which was a type of electronic document for a web page. It's a type of text document where the contents allows you to click and it moves to the next content in a web document. So who was Tim Berners-Lee? Tim Berners-Lee was a physicist as well as contractor in CERN. So he was first proposed a type of language which allows you to hypertext the contents to check different type of electronic documents on a web page. So he kept this proposal at CERN, and in the late 1993 first version of HTML came. The version was HTML 1.0, which was first displayed as a web page. The browser at that time was Netscape Navigator. So Navigator was at that time was a popular web browser through which this web page was highlighted. So HTML, as I said, is a markup language which is very organized, structured language. Let me show you the structure of HTML. So here is the structure of HTML document, where you can see every angle bracket where some script is written known as elements. Every element has opening and closing tag. As you can see, HTML is the root tag, which is starting the coding from here, and once the coding in HTML is done, we use a close tag. So every elements within an HTML body is properly organized in a structural manner. So I've already told you that those elements is also known as tags, where different tags has different attributes. Every tags defined in an HTML body operates differently, and how to control the content within a web page is assigned by all these tags. So in the upcoming videos I will show you how to do a proper coding. We will go through step by step in an easy manner so that you find it easy to understand. So that is it for today. See you tomorrow in the next video. Thank you so much.